Here's the skill that was generated. After we made all of our edits in Claude, we refined, we added captions, we added music. Then I asked Claude to create a skill summarizing all of the instructions we made. I'll copy this and I'll go into my Claude menu into Customize. And then under Skills, I'll say Add. I can create one with Claude. It will like ask and prompt you, or I can write skill instructions myself. I'll just write it myself, and I'll basically paste those instructions into this field. And then I'll call this like, create clips. I actually already did this with this exact same prompt. And this is it right here. It's exactly the output that you saw. It's got all of these instructions in here, and you can read through them. In fact, one thing I'd recommend is when you create the skill is test this skill on a new recording that it's never seen before. Evaluate the output, and it's likely you'll want to make some changes, or it doesn't perfectly recreate the sorts of things you liked from the first video. Well, the beauty is you can go back to that thread where you created the skill in the first place, just like I am here, and say, I tested this somewhere else, and I didn't like this thing about it. Can we update the skill to make sure we always end on this kind of transition, or add this sort of music instead? These sorts of skills are the sort of thing you're going to want to refine, but as you refine them, what you'll find is you'll get closer and closer to the desired output, and the best way to do it is just to test it, see how the output looks, and then test again. Once you have that skill, using it is really simple. In Claude, you say /create. This is the skill we wrote, and I literally just call that skill. I'll upload a file from Boink. Here's a new interview from Laura, and I'll press go. And that's it. That is all of the instructions that we crafted to create that skill are now being applied to a brand new recording. And this is the sort of thing in the next episode we'll use as a jumping off point to create an automation every time there's a new recording. So you don't even have to do this. A new recording lands in a place and this automation can proceed.